The mihi animas teteratole, give me souls, take away the rest. Father Jen po, SDB. Maligayang Pasko po sa ating lahat. We are now in the season of Christmas. Every year, we have to remind each and every one of us, ang ating mga sarili, that God is among us. God is with us. Ito po yung message ng Pasko na hindi natin dapat makalimutan. We keep on reminding the world that God is present. Kasama natin ang Panginoon sa araw-araw na ating pamumuhay. And now we are celebrating the Feast of the Holy Family, wherein dapat kung saan natin natututunan sa simula't simula pa lamang ang presensya ng Diyos. No, mga magulang, ito yung responsibilidad natin to make sure that our children will know God, love God, and serve God. Ito po yung maririnig natin sa ating mga babasahin. In the first reading and the second reading, no, we are being reminded that ano yung mga responsibilidad ng ama, ng ina, ng mga anak sa isa't isa. Kasi sa ating pangalawang pagbasa, pinakita po dito that we have to live this every minute of our life. And our gospel, no, taken from the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 2, verse 30 to 15, pinakita po dito that each members of the family, our purpose is to protect ang bawat miyembro nito out of our love of them because we consider them gifts coming from God. And ano yung ginagawa natin? We are doing all our best to love and serve each other as what God is asking us to do. Kung makikita nyo dito, Saint Joseph still continue to fulfill his duty, but asking and following the will of God. My dear friends, the message of our celebration for today is, let us continue to allow God to be present in us, in our family first, then in our community, then in our nation and in the whole world. But let's start in our family, wherein we're going to serve, love each other, and protect each other because we consider them as gifts coming from God. And let us do this understanding ano ba yung kagustuhan ng Diyos, ang kabutihan ng lahat. Ito lang naman po yung sinasabi sa atin ng ating Ebanghelyo. Saint Joseph had fulfilled everything because God wished to protect us. Therefore, kung yan ang kagustuhan ng Diyos, I will also fulfill my duty in serving, loving, and protecting my own family. So my dear fathers, remind yourself of your duties and responsibilities in your family. Same with our mothers and children. Each and every one of us has a responsibility to fulfill. Let us do it because this is the will of God. Sabi nga ni St. John Bosco, for us to become holy, we just have to fulfill our ordinary duties extraordinarily well. So once again, my dear friends, Merry Christmas to all and Happy Feast Day of the Holy Family. Let God, let Jesus be the center of your family. Once again, God bless us all.